do you have any advice on keeping squirrels from eating all my peaches? Callie in Bowie, Maryland. So do you have any advice for Miss Callie here?
We looked Bowie, Maryland up, okay.
Yeah, we looked it up.
And we noticed that you're in a suburban area that probably doesn't allow shooting. But my first, I even have a note down here, 12-year-old with a 20 gauge, that's the best thing out there for squirrels. And now that I understand you're in a suburban area,
right.
like we're here in Memphis, Tennessee,
right.
It's kind of like that too. That complicates things a little bit. There are some really, really good pellet guns out there. You might want to check with your local authorities first,
right.
and find out whether or not you can discharge a firearm in your area. If you can, shooting them is a good way to do it. It's one of the best ways. And if you can shoot them with a shotgun, that's really good because it's hard to miss. Then I probably wouldn't use a rifle unless I'm in a completely rural area,
right,
a 22
right,
rifle or something like that. But a 20 gauge shotgun with light load ammo is most excellent. Now, if you can't do that, I've tried the pellet gun, but I would do some trapping. Okay. You can take one of your peaches and put it in a trap down at the base of the tree and see if you have a lazy squirrel that would rather go in a trap and get it.
Is there anything else you can bait the trap with outside of peaches?
Nuts.
Nuts.
They may prefer a pecan or they really like that. But I don't know. Peach is hard to beat. Even a squirrel might prefer a peach over a pecan. But it's tough. You can try. You can get the sticky stuff that you can paint on the trunk of a tree.
Oh yeah. Okay.
You might want to try that. But your options are limited if you can't, trap them and get rid of them.
It's gonna be limited.
Jack Russell, you got a dog that you could kind of put your dog right out there, tether it out under the tree, to the peaches get right. I say a Jack Russell. You may want to get you a Rottweiler, but a Jack Russell will do the trick. They'll take care of the squirrels. But that's a tough one.
It's always tough, isn't it?
That's a tough one, and it's not only tough for peaches. It's tough for pears and apples and things like squirrels are. And they it doesn't take them long to get them all. They get a taste of them and they go tell their neighbors, I think, and they come in there and they harvest them.
And they'll come and get them.
Sometimes they may just take a bite out of one
and just drop it and
grab another one.
Yeah, that is so tough. So it's gonna be tough.
I feel your pain.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.